Assalamu alaikum and good morning everyone. How are you all? Let's start our today's lesson. Yes, 3 class, raise your hand and tell me which topic we have done yesterday. Yes, past simple tense. You know what? It's very interesting and exciting tense. Mostly we use this tense. For example, we can use this tense to tell someone what we did yesterday. We can also use this tense to tell somebody what happened 500 years ago. Whatever you are trying to describe, what happened before now? What happened before now? We can use past simple tense. Let's take review of our previous class work. The main important thing about past simple tense an action and situations that happened in the past before now. And second one, second form only used in past simple tense. There is no helping verb. Yes, 3 class. Now you have to solve a worksheet about past simple tense, positive sentences. So come to first statement. Choose the correct form of verb according to past simple tense. So she planned to park yesterday. Yesterday is showing that the situation happened before now. So you have to use the second form. Went is the second form or go? Yes, went is the second form. So sentence will be she went to park yesterday. Remaining statement you have to solve by yourself. Now come to question number 2. Put the verbs according to past simple tense. Statement number 1. I blanked my teeth 3 times yesterday. Clean. So you have to use the correct form of verbs. Number 2. We blank our exams in March. Yes, students, now remaining statements do by yourself. I know my students can do this. And after this, write on your diary, learn forms of verbs. Because after learning the form of verb, you can use the correct form of verb for any tense. Is that clear? Take care.